punctuate and write the short
No, no.
dialogue.
Yeah. So we were on the sixth one, right?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Dhyan.
ma'am, yesterday my mother asked for the notice, ma'am. What? Ma'am, she wants the notice. Can you mail it to
Yeah,
her?
yeah. I'll do it today.
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
do it. Okay, where shall I pin up this picture? Sarah asked her mother. The mother replied, please put it up on the wall near the door. So tell me, where is the quotation going to come and what quotations are going to come? Sorry, punctuation is going to come. Which punctuation?
Ma'am, which page number?
87 exercise E.
Okay, ma'am.
87 exercise E. And just to remind you, from today, there is not going to be any HRM, any reading slot till the PTM is not over.
Okay, ma'am.
So no HRM today and no PTM. Sorry, no reading today.
To
Even
the
if you have
HRM
a
name.
Hindi, no HRM, please. So don't try to log in at 12:20.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ridan.
ma'am, sometimes I can't join the reading class.
What, Ridan?
Sometimes I can't join the reading class only.
So, what do I do?
Ma'am, in last that Mahatma
You did not prepare only, so how will you come? You never attend the class. Never ever. Now that you're seeing that in your report card, you are telling me that you are not able to join. Did you send me a mail? Did you talk about this in the HRM? Did you send me a message? No. How am I come to know? How will I come to know?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Right now, when your report card is showing all bad grades, you are giving me this excuse. Great. Yes, who has a
Ma'am,
question?
report card has been released.
Please read your messages in the classroom. I'm not your walking
Sorry, ma'am.
almanac.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am,
said
so ma'am, there will be reading also, or there will be no reading?
I made the announcement thrice. Can someone tell him?
there will be no reading, no HRM from this date. Ma'am,
Yes, Kevna.
I was asking that my slot for the reading class is tomorrow, so I won't have a reading class. Okay, ma'am.
5B will not have today also, tomorrow also. 5B, today and tomorrow, no class. No HRM, no reading class. So you will be free by 12:20. The last period that you have at 12:20, you'll be free by that time.
Ma'am,
Okay. Who's going to answer this? Migdad is busy watching some show, which is the show I don't know, but he's really enjoying it. Yes, Kusha Huja.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, before where there is a quotation mark starts,
Hmm.
W capital,
Okay.
Which page, Nata? Can you please repeat?
and there I capital,
Hmm.
and,
Where shall I pin up this picture?
and after picture there is a
Ma'am,
co-
am I
question
audible?
mark and quotation mark close.
Close. Okay.
Am I audible? I have just joined from the second class.
After mother there is a full stop in second line.
Hmm.
T capital,
Hmm.
and after replied there is a comma and quotation mark starts.
Hmm.
After door and last line there is a full stop and quotation mark close.
Please put it up on the wall near the door. Right. So everybody's got this. Everybody's got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the first line, where is the quotation
Ma'am,
mark?
which page number?
Ma'am, in first line, from where
57.
does the quotation mark starts and quotation mark ends?
In the first line, Rudra,
Yes, ma'am.
it starts from where and ends after the question mark picture. Picture, question mark, and quotation mark end. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
Okay. Sarah asked her mother, full stop. The mother replied, please put it up on the wall near the door. Got it? All of you?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nishika.
From the please, P will be capital and there will be a quotation mark, na?
Yeah. Quotation mark begin.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
What, Anushka?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Of course you can drink. Okay. So we are beginning the next chapter, which is sentences. What is a sentence? What is a sentence? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Samriddhi?
sentences, can I say?
Yes, Samriddhi.
Sentences have many words under it.
Sentences has many words under it. Okay.
And it describe a thing.
And if I say attendance today bad very, this is a sentence.
No.
Then
Ma'am, can I say?
you
Ma'am,
say
can
it
I
is a
say?
group of words. I can say any words.
Correct words.
Ma'am, the sentence
say?
a sentence is a group of words which should be grammatically right.
Correct. A sentence should be a group of words arranged in a way that they are grammatically correct and the sentence should make sense. When I read the sentence, it should tell me something. Okay? It should tell me something. Okay. What does a sentence have in it? You must have. What does a sentence have? Okay, first of all, Trisha, Rahil, Vedi, Yash, Freya, Karnav, Gunav, Anushka. Anushka is already on. You know what I want you to do. Otherwise, I'll start removing you.
Ma'am, I have turned on my camera in another device.
Rahil, Vedi, Gunav, Karnav. Rahil, Vedi, Gunav, Karnav. What's wrong? Is my voice not reaching you people? Fine. I don't want you in my class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait. I'm doing something very important. Yeah. Now tell me. Yeah, whose question was it?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Ridan.
ma'am, what is meaning of declarative?
Where are we, Ridan?
Ma'am,
What are
we
we
have
doing?
chapter 15 sentences.
Now, so what are we doing in sentences?
Ma'am, we are learning what are sentence.
So first we will know what are sentence, then we will know what are types of sentences. No, you've directly jumped to types of sentences. First, tell me what is a sentence. What does a sentence have? Tell me. What does a sentence have? Into how many parts is a sentence divided into? Daksh, Vivan, switch on your cameras. Migdad,
Ma'am, I can go to
Migdad,
washroom.
Daksh,
Ma'am, I can go
Vivan.
to washroom.
Second warning.
Ma'am, I go to washroom.
Yes, Lakshya. Why do you keep your cameras off? I don't understand. What? What are you doing behind the cameras that you don't want me to see? Daksh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you put your cameras off all the time?
Ma'am, I have go to washroom.
So you keep your camera on and go. Okay, so a sentence has how many parts? I've still not got the answer. There, a sentence has how many parts? There is busy with some other things.
Ma'am, can I say?
There will answer. I've already called out his name.
Mom, sentence is in 4 parts.
You did not get my question. I asked how many parts are there in a sentence. I did not ask
Four.
how many types of sentences are there.
Ma'am, can I say all
This
four?
is what I'm talking about, not paying attention in the class.
Ma'am, can I say that four?
What, Ridan? Ridan, what is it?
Ma'am, you move to
How many sentences?
Lakshay, what?
Ma'am, you directly in the sentence you already start the answer it.
I am asking how many parts are there in a sentence. A
Ma'am, can I
sentence
say?
consists of how many parts? Samriddhi.
Maximally 2 or 3.
And what are those 2 parts?
What are those 2 parts? Wait, you are telling punctuations. Yeah, in punctuation you had tell 2 parts and how many sentences are there.
Who knows how many parts are there in a sentence? If you don't know how many parts are there, there's no use continuing with the chapter.
Ma'am, four.
There 2.
Nishika, how many parts and what are they?
4.
4. Agna, how many parts are there in a sentence? Wrong. 4. She says 4. Migdad, how many parts? Migdad. Migdad will not answer.
Ma'am, there are 4 parts.
Wrong.
Ma'am,
Yash,
there are 2
how many
parts.
2 parts.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say?
Yash.
Ma'am, subject and predicate too.
And who told you this?
Ma'am, my daddy told me.
Thank you. Say
Ma'am,
thank you.
my
to Daddy.
father always asks me that how many parts of sentence are there.
Yes. So how many parts are there in a sentence? Every sentence is made up of 2 parts. One is the subject and the other is predicate. The first part of the sentence is called the subject. The second part is called the predicate. A subject is something
Even
that
when
we
we convert
talk
active to
about
passive,
in
we
the
say subject of the sentence and I don't know.
So the first part of the sentence where we are talking about something is the subject. So whom are we talking about? What is the sentence telling us is the subject. And what is that person doing, the subject doing, the subject telling is the predicate. Got it? Now in a sentence, yes, Daria, what's your question?
means predicate means the thing which the person is doing.
Subject is doing, yeah.
Yeah.
Subject it's not necessary that the subject is a human only.
Yeah, it can be
Okay.
something else also.
So what all is there in a sentence? I'll give you a sentence.
Okay.
I went to the supermarket to buy grocery. What is it?
I went to supermarket to buy groceries.
So what
Ma'am,
what are parts of okay? Do you know what are parts of speech?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is it, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Huh? Yeah, ma'am, I don't know. What are the parts of speech? We do it every year. Every year.
There are
How many parts of speech are there?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Yash.
Ma'am, noun.
How many are there? First, let us understand. How many parts of speech are there?
Ma'am, I don't remember. I don't know the names.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
There are 8 parts.
Four. Ma'am, four. I know.
How many parts of speech are there in the
Ma'am,
English language?
please.
Yes, Nishita.
Ma'am, 3.
How many?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 8.
8.
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, it's the starting, the body, and the ending.
Ayush, you're not writing a letter.
8, ma'am. It's 8.
9 parts are there. Now name those 9 parts of speech. We do
Can
it
I
every year. We do it every year.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Shh. Push Huja.
Ma'am, noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, conjunction, preposition, adjectives,
And interjections.
oh yes, ma'am, interjection,
Ma'am, articles.
Articles.
Yes, ma'am.
articles.
So these are the 9 parts of speech which we use. What is this, Ekansh Jen?
Ma'am, by mistake.
What are you doing actually?
Mama,
Give me the 9 parts of speech. Repeat.
ma'am,
Can I tell?
Ma'am, can I say 9 parts? Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say?
ma'am, can I say all 9 parts?
Ridhan, why have you become so super active today in the class in answering the questions? You've seen your report card? People, have you seen your report cards?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell, please?
1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all seen your report cards, children? So that's why you've become super active
Yes, ma'am.
today, Ridhan. Did you see your grades? Ridhan, have you seen your grades in the report card? You're happy with them? Why? Do you think it is the real picture of you? Just answer my question, yes or no. Do you think it is the real picture of you? Are your grades the real picture of yours, children? No? Huh? What grades you've got in the report card, does it match the performance that you show in the classroom? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever grades I've given you in English is exactly what you do in my classroom. So if you're not attending my 12:30 sessions, you must have got a C, D, and E grades. So that is a reflection of your presence in my classroom. So if you're not happy with it, is your problem. Try to improve it. Try to be regular in my class. Try to attend all the classes. Some people have got good grades. A2s also they've got. They've got A2 in speaking, they've got A2 in reading, they've got A2 in writing. All those who submit my work on time, I've given them grades. So why are you thinking that your grades do not match your performance in the class? Ridhan, it doesn't match. It is the real picture. Wake up. And you have woken up today. I have never, we all have never had such a good participation from your side in all these days. Is it, children? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It would have been great, no, if you would have shown this participation in the previous term. You would have got lot better grades.
Ma'am, see the chat box.
It is good. It is very good that you're participating very well today. But it's of no use now. You've heard this proverb, crying over spilt milk is of no use. You've kept the milk on the fridge and you're watching, and all of a sudden it spills out of the vessel. Can you do something about it? Can you do something about it? Time has gone. When
Ma'am,
it
see
was
the
time-
chat box.
when it was time for you to keep a watch, we were careless. We did not bother.
Ma'am, see the chat box.
Dakshay. And some people have still not learnt a lesson. Some of you have still not learnt a lesson. Just still the cameras are off. Daksh Patel, Mohit. I have to keep screaming. Put your cameras on.
Ma'am, Catherine ma'am,
Yes, Kevna.
in the previous class, Renu ma'am has given some people a warning, but they still left. So ma'am is like, I'm gonna mail their parents there because they are leaving very early.
That is their habit. Because right now, the control is in your hands. And you are spoiling your future yourself. The control is in your hands. The teacher has to do nothing with it. The parent has to do nothing with it. All is being done by you people. So you're spoiling it yourself. You don't want to attend the LSRW class? You don't attend. It's as simple as that. Who is there to keep a check on you? The teacher is at her home. You are at your own home. With a click of a button, you can leave the class. It's so easy. But it's affecting your grades. It's affecting your performance.
Yes.
How does that matter? Doesn't matter. Papa is paying the fees. You are getting access to the classes. You don't realize how hard work they are putting in to pay your fees.
Yes, ma'am.
What yes, ma'am, Lakshay? I hope you people learn a lesson from the grades that you've got. And your parents should not ask me, why have I given a C grade, D grade, and E grade? Please, you are answerable to them, not me. Because you are at home under their nose and you're not attending the classes. I cannot pull you by your ear and tell you, come on, sit in my class. No. But your parents can if they want to. And please check your report card before you come for the PTM. I have posted a folder in the classroom section, a class work section called PTM schedule. Please follow that schedule. The PTMs will not be rearranged because this time it is a group PTM, as in all the teachers will be sitting in that link. So it is not possible for me to collect all the teachers at a particular time again. Okay, so please don't miss your PTMs.
Ma'am, what is the grades of where is the grades in the class work? What is the folder?
PTM schedule. There is a new folder, new heading.
Ma'am, it's written new material grade 5B.
PTM schedule 13 October, 14 October, and 20.
Okay, so sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Sentences can be divided into 4 categories based on their structure and the message they convey. The 4 types of sentences are declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Now, what are the sentences? Any sentences in which we are passing information or telling something are called declarative sentences. For example, I am teaching English right now. I am declaring this. I'm making an announcement. I'm telling you that I am teaching English right now. Interrogative sentences are the ones in which we ask questions, and
Yes,
they
ma'am.
will always end with a question mark. They will
Ma'am,
always
can I
end with a
say a
question mark.
sentence as a question mark?
What, Arna?
Can I say a question? I mean, example of interrogative.
Yes, give me an example.
Have you received your report cards?
Have you received your report card? Have you checked your report card on ERP? So that's an interrogative sentence. Have you ever seen, if you watch, detective series or maybe read a detective series, what is it full of? It is full of questions. Okay. So when suppose a person murders someone and the person who murdered is called to the police station, what does police do with that person? What does the police do with that person?
Ma'am, interrogation.
Ask questions.
They ask questions.
For
They,
proof. Ma'am,
they,
for proof.
they interrogate. What is that called? They interrogate, and that process is called interrogation. What is the process called? The process of asking questions and getting information is
Interrogation.
called interrogation. Okay. So interrogative sentences ask questions, they end with a question mark. So you have to remember all the sentences which end with a question mark are interrogative sentences. And the ones which end with a full stop are declarative and they give information about something. The third one is imperative sentences express orders, requests, or advice. So when someone is ordering you, for example, I order people in the class, switch on your cameras. So what am I doing? I'm ordering them. Or when I tell them, I request them, could you please switch on your cameras? Which I don't do. I don't request them. And I don't like to request them. And the last and the third is advice, which I give them that if you don't switch on your camera, I will remove you. So I'm advising them, please switch on your camera, otherwise I will remove you. And they do. So this is advice. Let's look at the examples. Don't litter the streets with garbage. This is an order. Mummy, please give me something to eat. That you are requesting someone, your mama. Obey your elders is an advice that I'm giving.
Wow, mother,
Yes, Nishika, what's your
you
question?
gave me a big surprise.
Samriddhi, switch your mic off. Yes, Ridan, what's your question?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ridan. Nishika, what's your question?
Ma'am, I don't have any question.
Ayush, Kevna, Yash, Trisha, why are your hands raised?
I have one question.
Yes, Kevna, what's your question?
Ma'am, date have you posted it?
Huh? What?
Which date have you posted the PTM? Sorry, the report card
Today,
today. Okay.
Ayush, what's your question?
Ma'am, there's no question.
Okay, exclamatory sentences show strong or sudden feelings. They end with an exclamation mark. Write I for interrogative and D for declarative. Now, what is the difference between the two? Without reading the
Can I
sentence, I
tell
can
that?
make out. Without reading the sentence, I can make out whether it's a declarative or interrogative. How?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, Ayush can also tell that.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, by the marks at the last.
By the marks,
If
like
there's a full stop, then it's a declarative. When there's
okay.
a question mark, it's interrogative. And
Yes.
of them difference is interrogative is like questions, while declarative is you declare something, you tell something.
Yes.
While
Yeah, we're
interrogative
giving
is you
information.
interrogate, to ask something.
Yes. So may I borrow that book? What is it? I or D? I for interrogative,
Ma'am, I.
D for declarative.
Ma'am,
I. The author of the Harry Potter series is J.K. Rowling. I or
Ma'am,
D?
D.
Declarative.
And
Because
ma'am,
it
I
is
love this
giving
question.
information. Do you like detective stories?
Yes. Oh,
I.
Interrogative. I. The sun shines brightly in summer.
D.
Ekansh? A solar eclipse occurred in August 2017.
D.
D. Declarative. When are you
Ekansh
going
has
to
become
visit
Luke.
your grandparents?
I.
Okay. Whole grains are an important part of a balanced diet. We have to tell whether it's declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, or imperative.
Ma'am, imperative.
Ma'am, declarative. Ma'am,
Declarative. Ma'am, imperative. It's the advice.
Ekansh, why is it imperative?
Ma'am, because I think so. It's the advice.
What advice is there? Tell me what advice is there. Is it telling you to eat whole grains?
No.
Is it saying that whole grains, you should eat whole grains?
No. Okay, ma'am. It is
Then
declarative.
what is it? It is giving information about whole grains, right? Whole grains are an important part of a balanced diet. So, sentences which give information are what?
Ma'am, which give information. Ma'am, I think so. Declarative.
Declarative, correct. Avoid junk food.
Ma'am,
Avoid
imperative.
Imperative.
Avoid junk food is interrogative. Is it asking?
Imperative, ma'am. Imperative.
Imperative. Imperative. It is giving advice.
Advice. Yes.
It is giving advice
Advice.
that avoid junk food.
Avoid junk
Or
food.
eaten Greek salad. Have you
Interrogative.
Interrogative. How delicious the fruit cake is. Exclamatory sentence. So got the difference between all the four sentences?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Declarative is giving information. Interrogative is asking questions. Imperative is ordering, advice, and request. And the last one, exclamatory, is showing anger, happiness, showing feelings. Got it, all of you? Any questions, any doubts? No?
No, ma'am. I just want to ask, am I visible?
Can I?
I visible because it is blinking. From my side, my camera is blinking.
Visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, that's all for today. The time is up. You may get ready for your next class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.